I am Valer Kouton from Benin, and this is my wife, Melanie Ayatin. We are here thanks to Mr. Ahmedabad, who advised us and invite us to come to this holistic hospital for Ayurvedic therapy. This therapy is for 2 days, and in those 2 days we are very, very proud and very happy regarding the kind of treatment we have. The practitioners were all good, and Mrs. Your name, please?
Subi.
And Mrs. Subi was very kind with us, so we thank her also. Okay, we have several therapies. I don't remember the name. Okay, we had several therapies. Yesterday, I think you had 5 therapies yesterday, and they was very good, very good. We delight, and I can assure you that the people who treat us were very good. But me especially, I appreciated the sound therapy. It was something new, never seen before. Yes, after the therapy, the pains reduced. Some are gone, but some reduced. I say, when we got the therapy, the results were good. For example, I came with back pain. It is almost gone now. And I complained also for my belly, and now it's okay. Yes, no, I said it was new for me, and I really appreciate. I appreciate the practitioner, the lady. She was very, very, very good.
SGVP Holistic Hospital.